Greetings class. Today we are going to discuss practical number 1 of your class 9 AKUEB curriculum. So what we are going to do is, first of all, go to this GCR page of your class, any class you belong to. So let's suppose I'm going to 9EC, and then go to classwork, go to all topics, and then particularly pick a filter of class computer science practical over there. So just click that and you will see computer science practicals over there like this. So let's go to practical number 1, and we are going to discuss that. So practical number 1, it's over here like that. So what we are going to do is, we are going to basically click that file, and after clicking that file, what we are going to do is, we are going to see that there's a file over there with some instructions. So click on these 3 dots, and after clicking on these 3 dots, we are going to click on this open in new window. So after clicking that, what you have to do is, you will see that there's an entirely separate type of file over there. Just click on these 3 dots over there, and then click on download. So after clicking on download, you will see that the file has been downloaded in your downloads folder. So if you click on the downloads folder like this, you go to the download folder, you can see the file is over here. So I have already downloaded the file, so I'm going to delete this extra one. So this is the basic file we are working on, and this is the first practical of your HTML. So let's open it and just see that what kind of practical and what kind of instructions are given. So enable editing, and then you can see that the objective of this particular practical is to create a basic HTML file, save it with the appropriate file extension, open the file in the web browser to display the content. So how can we do it? First of all, we need to create a subfolder, as the instructions are saying that we need to create a subfolder named HTML in your class 9 practical folder. So basically, we have to just right click either in the desktop, either in the subfolder somewhere, either in the documents. It's up to you. Either if you like to store it in local SD, you can store it over there. It's up to you. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make it on the desktop so that it's easy and convenient for me, but it's not a hard and fast tool. You can make it anywhere. So right click, new, and folder, class 9 practical. Then what we are going to do is, we are going to just click it and make another folder, a subfolder in that. It's named as HTML. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to open this folder. Now this is the folder which we are going to store each and every practical in. So first of all, we have to open Notepad. After opening Notepad, what we are going to do is, we are writing the basic structure of HTML. Let me tell you how. Let me guide you one thing. HTML is a case insensitive language. It means that it doesn't matter what case you are following. It can be uppercase, it can be a lowercase, so it doesn't matter. You can write HTML like this as well. And you can write HTML like this as well. It's up to you. And you can entirely write HTML like this as well. This is how we are going to write the HTML tags over there. So you can write any case you want to. It's up to you. It's perfectly up to you. So what we are doing is, after HTML, we will write head. After head, we'll write the title over there. We can also write it like this as well. The enters and spaces doesn't matter over here. Write like this because it's quite readable like this. Then we are going to write the body. and over here the body is going to be ended. So this is how we are going to write the tags. Now always remember to save your title like this, because this is basically the pattern of the AKUEB examination. So just write your name like this. For example, I'm writing mine, so you will write yours just like I'm writing mine. Then you are going to write your class like this, and then your section. For example, my section is you can say Z. It's an imaginary section because I'm a teacher. So like this, and then finally the practical number or the practical name, like that. So this is going to be my title. This is how my title is going to be declared. How to save it? Now the question arises that how to save it. So I'm going to save it like this: file, then hit save. Where to save it? In class 9 practicals, in HTML folder, and there's a bit of, you can say, trick over here. So let me guide you well. First of all, you have to just remove this and go to all files. Then you will save your file in this pattern, the same pattern you have given your title. So I've given my title like this. Let me just copy it from here so that I don't have to write it again and again. File, save, and then class 9 practical, HTML folder, all files, and then here. This is how we are going to save it. And one more thing is over there, you have to put a .html in the end as well. Then you will hit save. After you hit save, you can see in your folder that there's a file created over there, and the file which is created is basically showing us symbol or the logo or the icon of the default web browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Opera, it can be Edge, it can be Firefox, whichever is your default browser over there. Just click it and you will see that there's a blank file over there which has the title of Muhammad Ali Raza class 9Z practical number 1. So this is how you are going to create a basic HTML file. So once you are done with basically writing this whole code, what you are going to do is you will just close this file and see that there's a output file over here which is basically saving your saved file. So if you right click it, you can see the option of open with. Either you can open with Notepad or the default browsers in your PC. So either you can open with browsers which will show you the output. If I open with Edge, you can see that there's the output of the code in the Edge folder in the Edge browser. And if I open with if I open it with the, you can say, Notepad, you can see the code over here. So there you can say code and the output over there. So what to do now? You will just copy this code and then open the file which we have basically downloaded. So go to downloads folder. This is the practical one we have downloaded. So open it, and over here it's basically screenshot of source code. We have to just write the source code. So we don't have to paste the screenshot because screenshot is basically blur in the print. So we have to take out the prints, and we don't want the screenshot of that. So we are just pasting the text format over here like this. Either that, or you can just right click it or paste it like this, or you can also just go to home and paste it like this. So it's up to you what method you want to follow for pasting. This is how you are going to paste it. Now for the screenshot of output, now we are going to take the screenshot. How? Let me show you. Just let me remove it from here. Let me just build up some space. Okay, now how to take the output of the screenshot. Just open the edge, and here's how we are watching it in the screenshot form. So how to do it? Just click on start, write snipping tool, and here you will see the snipping tool. Click on the snipping tool, and you will see a new option over here. Click that new option, and here you will see how to take the screenshot, and just copy it and then paste it over there like this. Here you will see the screenshot is pasted. This is how we are going to just paste it over here like this. What we are going to do is we are going to take the print of this whole file. So we are going to save the file and take the print, so that we can attach it to our you can say portfolio file in the folder, in the portfolio folder. So just for the safekeeping, just right click it, cut it, and then paste it over here, so that our practical one is saved in the file as well and the HTML file as well. So we have to take print of this Word file to attach it into your portfolio, right? Okay, thank you class, take care, Allah Hafiz.